What are the alternate options for using Cash App without a linked bank account or card?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore how to use Cash App without a linked bank account or card. This might seem tricky since Cash App generally relies on a linked bank account or card for transactions, but don't worry, we've got you covered.
Receiving money in Cash App.
The good news is you can still receive money in your Cash App without linking a bank account or card. When someone sends you money, it will be added to your Cash App balance. You can keep the money there for future use within the app, which can include sending money to others or making payments to participating retailers or businesses.
Using Cash App balance.
As mentioned, you can use your Cash App balance to send money or make payments. But it's important to note that if your balance isn't enough to cover the transaction, you won't be able to complete it without linking a bank account or card. Always ensure you have enough balance for your transactions.
Getting a Cash App card.
Another option is to get a Cash App card. This is a customizable debit card associated with your Cash App account. You can use it at stores that accept Visa. You can order one from within the app, and it does not require a linked bank account. However, you will need to have money in your Cash App account to use the card.
Adding cash to your Cash App account.
This might be the tricky part. Adding cash directly to your Cash App account without a linked bank account or card can be a bit challenging. One way is to have someone send money to your Cash App account. Alternatively, you can use cash deposit partners, if available and applicable in your country, which allows you to deposit physical cash into your Cash App balance. So there you have it. Using Cash App without a linked bank account or card is definitely possible. It's a bit limited in terms of adding money to your account, but you can receive, send, and spend money without needing to link any additional financial accounts. Remember to manage your balance wisely to ensure smooth transactions. As always, stay safe when transacting online. Thanks for watching.